Hey guys, I just bought a new tool bag and I've been using this one that comes when you buy this DeWalt drills to give you a bag, and I've lost a couple of my things because it's just overflowing with this, the tools. But as a DIY, you always need like a small bag that you can just grab and go instead of like the big one with a lot of tools. But for today, I just wanted to share with you guys this new bag that I reviewing, and then so move all my tools in here so you guys can see. Okay. All right, guys. So here we go. So this is the bag that I wanted to share with you guys. The Craftsman. It's not as big as some of that stuff you see at Home Depot, Lowe's. This one fits pretty much all my stuff. I was able to move everything in here, and it looks like that. I got these two drills in here, and then I got this multi-tool also in here as well. They fit perfectly in here, so I'm so happy about it. I can just lay it down like that, and then the rest of this stuff can also just be in here without a problem. So then I can put this square right here can just sit on the bottom as well. Then I'll put this drill down there as well, and then I'll put the other drill down here as well, and they fit perfect. And I got all these screws that I recycled this bottle, like a vitamin bottle, and put them in here so I don't lose them. Good idea for you if you always losing your screws. Use what you have. This is the medicine bottle. I have more in here as well. Okay. So basically this is how it looks. I put this in here. This tape measure goes. There's like a little metal thing here for it, for the tape measure to go. Goes right there. This can go here. Then I got another one here, so maybe I can put this big one here, and then the small one behind it, so they're closer to each other. I got this opening space right here that I can put some miscellaneous stuff that I don't use all the time, like the pressure washer valves and stuff right here. I can throw in here if I need it. I can throw stuff like this. This one can go in one of these bags in here. All right, then I got gloves I can throw in here. This Gorilla pipe thread tape can also go in here. Now I just have junk in here. I don't have anything. Okay, I got this ear protection thing here, can also go in here. And so those should be safe in here, and I can close that now. There it is. So on this side, I have some of my bits, the screws. Remember this I did a review on. If you haven't seen it, this is a perfect tool for a homeowner. And then I put this next to it because I'll be using those. Now I just have a bunch of random screws in here. I'm gonna try to clean up, but I don't have to use this anymore. Then I got my pencils next to the tape here. Put it next to the tape so I can see them when I need them. Right there. That one is too long. I can put it next to it like that. My knife, utility knife right here, wire cutter right here. There's like a little pocket right here. It says you can put a drill on the side here. There's like a picture of a drill. I'm gonna show you. Let me bring my camera so you can see. The inside looks like that. See this thing here that shows a drill? Basically they're saying that you could actually put a drill right here, like that. But I don't think I need that. So what I'm gonna do right there is just put this charger. Right, and I think it fits there perfect. What do you guys think? I think it fits there perfect. And then these ones can just go in the middle like that. And everything is fitting in those pockets right there. Got all these things here, they're in here somewhere. And that's how my new bag looks like. If you're interested in this, let me know. Let me go around so you can see. Everything looks organized. So let me put my camera here so I can show you how heavy this thing is. I don't think it's heavy at all. It's not bad. I can lift it with just one hand, like that. And it's not too heavy. And all my things are more secure now than it used to be before. And that's what I wanted. So if you keep losing all your tools because you're using these bags that you get when you buy drills, I mean, it's served me for years. I'm thankful for DeWalt for giving us this. So I got one of these left in here. But I think it was time for me to update and to upgrade. This is all I'm gonna be using now. So if I go do something, I'll make sure that I always put my stuff back in the bag. Over here, I can put my gloves. There's another pocket here, but I have all this stuff in here. But I think I can put See this strap right here? That's why I can put my gloves right here. Watch, right there. And then I have like a wipe thing that can go right there. And I got this extra knife. I'll just throw it in here somewhere. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll be super excited to help you out and to answer any questions you have. Peace out.